Yo, what's up guys, it's JSGC Vlogs here. We're here to do a newish kind of video for you. This is just going to be a short video of me just explaining a few things for you, as I think it's always important to explain why things are happening. Now, sounds like I'm going to do one of these apology videos and things have happened. None of that. But as you've seen from my previous videos, we managed to get quite a few videos out from Poland. This time, we're looking forward to our next holiday. If you have been following me and you keep track of where I'm at and what I'm saying and things like that, so things on Twitter and on my videos too, I mention it, you'll know that my next holiday destination is going over to Las Vegas, and that's out in April. So I'm going to just take you through everything that's going to be happening for that, so you know what to expect, and so you know what's coming up, and keep everyone in the loop with what's happening. So first up, I'm just going to be saying that on my main channel JSGC there'll be a short Vegas vlog. That'll be the first video going up in Las Vegas to let everyone know that the video's going out. Obviously that channel's a lot bigger than what this channel is, and so you'll know firsthand that things are going out. But if you've come from JSGC over to here, then excellent, thank you for subscribing and hello there. Then you have lots more to look forward to. So I've just drawn up, I've got my phone here, just drawn up some video ideas here. But it's not going to focus, it doesn't matter. I'm going to read it out to you anyway of what we've got coming up. So first up, we've got Mixid. I'll leave JSGC and Mixid's links in the description below if you want to check them out. But Mixid, he's my brother, he's heading out on holiday with me too to Las Vegas. So we've drawn up some video ideas of what's going to be happening there. And first up, before we head out on holiday, we're going to be staying at the Clayton Hotel at Manchester Airport, and so just before that, we're going to be heading out in Manchester the day before, and so we're going to be vlogging our day in Manchester. We're going to get up to all of the places. We're going to go and drink and have fun and eat and places like that, and in general, they're normally a lot of fun for us to film and edit and distribute in the videos. I enjoy watching them too, so I hope other people do too. So we'll be doing another one of them, and then from there for Mixid, we're going to be looking at possibly doing some kind of night out involving a casino. So I'm hoping to be able to do a little bit of filming there and have that as a vlog. If that is the case, I'll obviously put that on Mix's channel, because I feel that's more associated with his content rather than mine, and also having a look at some of the bars in Las Vegas, some of the drinks and cocktails available, and that's obviously all of his content, so that'll be over on Mix's channel. Then in terms of this channel and what's coming, like I said, we're staying at the Clayton Manchester Airport, so I'll be having a room tour of that and be able to compare it. I've obviously stayed at the Crown Plaza previously. If you go and check out JSGC and go on my playlist, you'll see Orlando, and if you check out all of my videos from around that time, also be able to compare. As always, we've done other videos. We've done Thomas Cook reviews, we've done EasyJet reviews. Well, it's going to be my first time flying on Virgin Atlantic, and also they've changed their aircraft flights now. I think they're now on Airbus A330, so we've not got the double deckers anymore, and so it's going to be my first time flying with Virgin Atlantic, so I'll be able to tell you everything that's in form of what the flights are like, what the seats and comfort are like, what the entertainment's like on board, and what to expect if you are going to be flying with Virgin Atlantic, particularly flying to the Pacific coast, in particular places like Las Vegas and California, so places like Los Angeles, San Francisco and Portland, places like that, etc, etc. So I'll be able to tell you about what's happening there and what to expect. And then we're going to be staying in a resort in Las Vegas, so I'll have a room tour. They've just modified some of the rooms, and so I'll be able to take you through that. And then from the resort, I'm going to take you around what's in the resort, so we're looking at casinos, shops, pools, things like that. I'll hopefully be able to do something like that to be able to show you what our Las Vegas experience was like. We're heading over to the Grand Canyon. We're going to be flying using Maverick Airlines, so I'll be able to have a Maverick Airlines review and what they're like. And then no, it's not Logan Paul Maverick, by the way, it's actually a company in Vegas doing Maverick Airlines, and they do helicopter tours too. We're doing a helicopter tour at night, so I'll be able to do a vlog on what it's like being in the helicopter at night and what it's like going around the Las Vegas Strip. We're also going to be vlogging at the Grand Canyon, seeing what it is and what it's about at the Grand Canyon. All good videos, I'm hoping. And then we'll be heading to the Stratosphere too, so hoping to do some kind of vlog there. Obviously I've said I've done the Orlando video, so I've done theme park vlogs before, so I'm hoping to do something entertaining with the Stratosphere vlog. I'm hoping that we might have some spare money that we may be able to do also do the bungee cord off of the Stratosphere. I think it's something like 830 odd feet or something like that. That'll be a lot of fun, so maybe we'll be able to do that, you never know. And then we're going to be heading to the premium outlets. Never vlogged it when I went to Orlando back in 2017, and so I never really showed you what was about and what was around, so I'm going to take you in more detail around what Las Vegas South premium outlets are like. I'm really looking forward to that. I do love the American premium outlets, gets all kinds of good deals there. And last but not least, one of the video, obviously I might have more video ideas come to me in the next couple of months from now until my holiday, but this is what I've got down so far. And then to end the video, I'm going to be putting out a long vlog, which is everything that I've done, right from the build-up of the holiday, going on holiday, and then the holiday itself. I did this plan last time when I went to Orlando. I was planning on making 2 videos. My first week doing Disney World and second week doing Universal Studios. The videos ended up being way too long. We're looking at an hour and a half's worth of footage. I didn't want to put out videos that long because the retention on it would just be terrible. People lose attention very quickly, so I'm hoping if I can shorten them down and split it into a long vlog, then as long as I've got enough footage, I'll do that. I'm hoping. I've done it with Menorca when I went to Spain over on JSGC's channel. That was around 25 minutes long, which is about my limit that I want the video to be. I also did that in Paris too. I've done them 2 videos over on here where I split them apart and separated them. I seem to have had more success separating them and putting them out like that rather than putting them out in 2. But I'm hoping just use it as like a memory and just put it out there if anyone wants to have a watch of what it's like being on holiday with me. Whilst you can't actually be there, you can virtually see what it's like. And I do always try and make them as entertaining and as fun as possible. So that's a new video idea of mine. So we'll see how that works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. That's what YouTube's all about, trial and error. So yeah, that's pretty much what's happening. That's the plan. And we'll have more videos coming out, I'm sure. 1 or 2 videos. I'll be able to take you through some tips and tricks of booking holidays with Virgin. If you want to see that, just let me know in the comments below. I am planning on doing that video, so if there's any encouragement of me doing that video, I might be able to put it up a bit earlier, of how to book with Virgin Atlantic or Virgin Holidays, how to get the best deal, what's cheap, what's not, and some little tips and tricks about getting the cost down, because I do like living, I don't say I like living on a budget, but I do like things to be as cheap as possible, because doing that allows me then to go to more places and do more holidays, and the more chance I get to go to more places, the more likely I am to put out more videos, which is always what I enjoy doing. And so yeah, that's pretty much what's happening. So we'll have a couple of videos out, I'm sure, between now and April, and then keep your eyes peeled for them Vegas videos in April. So if you're interested, make sure you press the red button and subscribe, press the bell to be notified when I've uploaded. Make sure you go and check out JSGC and Mixid. Links to them are in the description below. My social media links in the description below too. Leave a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you all again for the next video, whenever that will be. So it's been JSGC Vlogs. I'll see you all again for the next video. Peace. Ciao for now.